In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back Elementor on your WordPress site. This can be incredibly useful if you encounter any issues with the latest update or if certain features are not working as expected. By reverting to a previous version, you can stabilize your workflow while waiting for any potential bugs or conflicts to be resolved. Let's start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Plugins option on the left-hand side of your screen and click on Installed Plugins. This is where you can find any plugin you have installed, including Elementor. If you've also got Elementor Pro installed and need to roll that back, make sure you're looking at the right one. Just to review, you should see both Elementor and Elementor Pro listed if you have both versions, and you can choose the specific one you wish to address. Once you're sure you've identified Elementor, the next step is to dig into the settings specific to it. On the left menu, look for Elementor, and then click on Tools. From there, you'll see a number of sub-options, and the one we're interested in today is the Version Control tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your Elementor versions. The Version Control section allows you to choose different versions of the plugin that you can roll back to, giving you the flexibility to decide which version will serve your needs best at this point. Under the Rollback Version area, you will notice a list or a drop-down menu appearing. It will initially show you the version of Elementor or Elementor Pro that is currently installed on your site. Here's the key part. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal a list of previous versions. Carefully review the versions available. It's generally a good idea to choose the most recent stable one before the latest update that's causing issues, as this would likely retain security fixes while eliminating any new bugs. Once you've made your choice, take a deep breath and click on the Reinstall or Rollback button. This action will initiate the process of reverting your plugin to the selected version. Depending on your web host and server performance, the process should just take a few seconds. After the rollback is complete, give your website a thorough check to ensure that the issues you were facing are resolved. Test out the specific functions or layouts that were problematic to assure everything now works smoothly. And that's it! You've successfully rolled back Elementor to a prior version. Remember, keeping a backup of your website is always a good practice whenever you perform such changes, as it provides an additional safety net. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop your queries in the comments below.